Hey guys, this is Andre with Pinnacle Credit Management. We're going into our client's Credit Karma. This is John Keys from Kansas, trying to get a home loan. So we decided to work on his credit. He started back in June, I believe. I think June 20th, 26th, something like that. Let's go ahead and look at his Equifax and see what has changed. Scrolling all the way down to the bottom to June 14th, it looks like, when he first opened up a Credit Karma account. And as you can see, statuses have been changed on those accounts and then followed by collections removed. Central States Recovery, those are big, hefty collections for him. We were able to get that removed, 2 of those actually. All right. And passing on to the next month, we got Berlin Wheeler KS removed. Synchrony Lowe's was a collection removed. And then even payment history changed from 50% to 67%. That is great. And we're going to repair the rest as well. As you can see right there, you see the difference. That is huge. A late payment could really, really mess up your credit report. He had a few of those, so we're removing those as well. Loan care servicing, we repaired those lates as well. And we have just 3 more negative items to work on for this customer. All right, let's go to his TransUnion file. Again, July 23, Central States collections removed, which is good. Great improvement for this client. And then portfolio recovery collections, we got that removed off his credit report. We're already in August right now. I think it's the 28th, 29th today. And great, steady progress for him. Good deal. All right, so that's the status for him. Like I said, he has only 3 more negative accounts. See right there, only 3 more derogatory accounts left, and then a few late payments to be removed, and then he's all good. 1 Chapter 7 bankruptcy that's about to be removed any day now, and 2 collection accounts. All right, that's Andre with Pinnacle Credit Management. I hope this